Open the contents of your Toyota Tundra Tailgate Inserts and ensure that you have all of the contents. You should have instructions, alcohol wipes, and all 6 letters for the Tundra. You can remove the clear protective layer now or after you clean the debossed area with the alcohol wipes. The important part here is cleaning it twice. We give you 2 alcohol wipes with the installation kit. Make sure you go over each letter really thoroughly, scrubbing the debossed area. Once you've finished going over it one time, repeat this step as it is likely going to be the most important step for you. You want to repeat this twice to ensure it's thoroughly clean and you get really good adhesion from the 3M adhesive that's on the back of these emblems. Firmly press each letter into the debossed area after you've aligned them. This process is not difficult at all. The letters fit perfectly into these debossed areas, so it's not difficult at all to align the letters properly. Once each letter is in place, repeat that step by pressing in each letter thoroughly for about 10 to 15 seconds. This is just as important as cleaning your tailgate. You have to make sure that each letter has made full contact and the adhesive is doing its job. This is 3M adhesive, so it's the best on the market. So if you do this correctly, take the time to do each step. These are going to last as long as you own this vehicle and even longer. Now you can step back and admire your new Tundra Tailgate Inserts.